Today, we're finally going to start putting all the pieces together and talk about what trading strategies look like. The only sure way to absolutely lose money 100% of the time in this business is to trade impulsively and without a plan. The only way to survive the bubbles, the pump and dumps, and the volatility of any market is to have a good strategy and the discipline to stick to that strategy when things start to get a little crazy. These last 2 weeks have been huge in the cryptocurrency world, with prices skyrocketing across the board. I saw so many people asking things like, is now the time to sell? Is everything about to crash? Or is it too late to buy in? Did I miss the boat? These are people without a strategy in place, because having a strategy means none of that matters. The price of anything should never tell you when to buy or sell. Your strategy tells you when to buy and sell. Your strategy determines not just when to enter a position, but perhaps even more important than that, it determines when to exit a position. It also helps you determine your risk-reward ratio, which in turn advises your position sizes. All of these things need to be planned out in advance before you even start looking for positions to take. Now, let me make one thing clear. Trading strategies don't have to be overly complicated. With a portion of my investment in cryptocurrency, I'm using the strategy called buy and hold. I bought into assortment of currencies, and I don't intend on ever selling unless my family has a dire financial crisis. I treat them the same way you would treat a retirement account. So planning to never exit is a strategy. I buy in and I have a clear plan for the exit. Never or family financial emergency. That's a plan. I also have a percentage of cryptocurrencies that I invest, that I day trade with. That strategy involves multiple indicators, calculating risk-reward ratios, all kinds of advanced technical analysis. But it still comes down to sticking to the rules of that strategy and following them without exception. If you're curious, for the day trading, I trade the strategy, the Blackprint New Rules, created by my friend Al Pickett. I'll put a link in the description if you're curious about checking it out. I've used it for years and have been profitable in both the Forex markets and the cryptocurrency markets. Also, over in the bot playlist, which I'll link to as well, we're working on developing our own trading strategy, so check that out. Even if you're not a programmer, you can get some value over there and even just download the code and try out the bot for yourself without having to code at all yourself. So both simple and advanced strategies require discipline, and that's the only way to make money in any of this. I know I brought up these two books over and over again, but they are really excellent sources that go into detail about what I'm talking about. I highly, highly, highly recommend you read them before ever placing a trade. They are Trading in the Zone and What I Learned Losing $1 Million. I've linked to them in the description of this video. In the coming weeks, I'll be getting deeper into the specifics of how to develop a strategy, but at the end of the day, it comes down to what works for you. So I encourage you to now start thinking about it now in developing your own strategy. Think about things like how often you want to be trading. Do you want to sit in front of your computer screen all day? Part of your strategy could then be looking at the 15-minute charts instead of the one-day charts. Are you the type of person that will be incredibly stressed anytime you have an active trade in the markets? Well, part of your strategy should be that you close any open positions before bedtime so you can actually get some sleep at night. Also, any winning strategy is going to have a lot of plans for how to deal with loss. Are you the type of person that's going to try to double down on a loss? Well, your trading strategy should probably include less risk. Anyway, I know you're all wanting me just to get to the point and tell you what strategy will make you money for sure, but unfortunately I'm not going to do that in this video, sorry. This is just intro to trading strategies, so start thinking about all those factors I mentioned, and in future videos I'll show you how to quantify those values and make some use of it. In the meantime, do check out the Blackprint trading system and see if it's for you, and check out the bot videos to get more information about how to actually codify your strategy. All right, bye.